Okay, part two. I decided to add part two. This is going to be the second coat, and you notice I changed foam rollers. I actually went and got one. So again, this goes on really nice. Thing about this is not water soluble. You can see there's places here where somebody got water after after I painted yesterday, but it will not clean up with soap and water. You'll need mineral spirits or paint thinner or whatever you like to use to clean an oil-based paint with. So, and it's better to have several thin layers. These are just really thin, and I gave this a little sanding when I was before I put on the second layer. Just lightly sanded off any imperfections. And again, this is going on really good. I let the first coat set overnight just to make sure it had got a good bond and wasn't going to be no problem with this coat. So, and this is going on really super nice. More so than that first layer. Of course, the first layer had was the roughest one, but this one's going on really nice. I think a quart will put 3 or 4 layers on here. And if you overwork it, it kind of loses its, I don't know if it's a gloss, semi-gloss. It kind of looks like a semi-gloss, but if you overwork it, you lose that gloss. So just keep that in mind. Get away with as little rolling as possible once you get it on there. And this goes, once you get that first layer on, obviously just like a wall, once you get the first layer takes the most paint, just and go back over it really lightly, get at your roller marks. It's kind of, I ain't gonna say it's self-leveling because I haven't read the can, but that's what it feels like, self-leveling. So again, foam roller is your friend here. Let's see, get that backsplash. It's a lot easier. I'm just going over getting the brush roller marks off, blending it off. And that's it. Again, it has a smell to it. And you know, if those type of things make you sick or gag or whatever, maybe you should get your friend to do it or something, or wear a mask. Maybe that will help you. But otherwise, that's the only down. That it's not water soap cleanable. There's only 2 downfalls, and really for the finish you get, that's more than acceptable cons in my book. So anyway, I just want to bring you guys, that's why I added this little tidbit of video. I want to let y'all know before you go out and get home, use this, get paint all over you, and then go, well, I won't work off with water. Get you some mineral spirits or paint thinner or something for cleanup. So anyway, Donald, Blue Collar DIY, I'm out.